Make this quick and easy, delicious, healthy summer treat.
Cool. It's cool.
That's good.
This is so cool.
Yeah, that's good. What do you think that tastes like?
Also tastes sweet. The bananas add sweetness to it.
That's good. But there's no sugar on it. Even there's no sugar, it's still sweet, right?
Tastes really good.
Yeah, because we use the ripe bananas and the ripe strawberries.
Yes. I bet it's so sweet. We drop, baby.
How about you, Brianna?
Yes. I love it in this bowl. It's a sundae bowl.
Oh, yeah. Since I am only using 2 ingredients, no sugar, the bananas provide almost all of the sweetness.
So, they must be ripe. It's important that the mixture contains more than twice as much bananas as strawberries. That's because even ripe strawberries are somewhat tart and not as sweet as ripe bananas. 3 medium ripe bananas. 4 medium ripe strawberries. The strawberries also must be ripe if you are using only 2 ingredients as I am. If your strawberries are not quite ripe, you may wish to add a little sugar as a third ingredient. I slice the bananas and strawberries before placing on parchment paper on a baking sheet. I then place it in the freezer for 2 to 3 hours until the slices are firm but not frozen hard.
In this 2 ingredients video, I'm using a food processor.
If you desired a extremely smooth and silky ice cream, at the end of this video, you can click on my video showing the recipe and instructions for making banana ice cream using a simple blender. Place your firm cold bananas and strawberries in the food processor. If you like little chunks of fruits, you can stop early. My family loves the taste of the fruity chunks in my banana strawberry ice cream made in the food processor. Process a little longer if you like smooth, silky ice cream. If you want even smoother, silkier ice cream, check out my blender version at the end of this video. If you like firm, scoopable ice cream, place in your freezer for 2 to 3 hours.